BBQ Rando here. Hey, we got a demo tonight for you from Firehawk Fireworks. You can see down here we got Little Evil. Look at that guy. These are 1-inch artillery shells. And you can see down here Little Evil, right? There's actually 12 shells in the box. Really, really cool. I'll kind of show you a couple things here. Shows you the effects. I guess that's what they are, right? I don't know. You can see down here, shoots flaming balls. All right. And then, of course, you have my favorite down here, right? Adult supervision. Place launcher upright. Duh. All right. Now, what we're going to do here is... Oh, there it is. Hey, you guys want to say it with me? Light fuse and get away. All right, so we're going to check these out tonight. Check this out. I'm going to open the box up. Here you go. It's got a little cover over it, which just flew away. And we got some pretty cool shells here. So if I take one of the shells out, kind of nice. All right. I don't get all into the colors and all that. I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what happens. We're going to do a couple during the day and a couple at night so you guys can get a real good effect. Got a real good deal on Little Evil, you little devil. So, hey, off to the launch pad. We'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, so we're at the launch pad. I put a yellow one in there so you guys can see it here. Watch. Test it, make sure it can go up and down. Oh, that should be good. All right, let's give it a shot. There it goes. Okay, so that was flippin' cool. Those suckers were loud. Now we got a red one. All right, let's try this one here. Give it a shot. Whoa! Okay, that last one was pretty quick. All right, we're gonna try this one here. So now we got, just to show you, here we go. We got a green one in there. All right. So that thing burnt down. That fuse burnt quick. Okay, let's try some of these at night. Okay, there we go again. Okay, let's do the third one.